about abstract classes. So what is abstract class in Java? A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. Non-abstract method means method with the body, or the method which doesn't contain any body is known as abstract method. So what is abstraction in Java? Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only the functionality to the user. Another way, it shows only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, sending SMS where you type and text and send the message. You don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. Abstraction lets you focus on what the object does instead of how it does. For example, if you are going to an ATM machine, then you are only depend on the amount we have withdraw, or we don't know about how we can process this execution. So the abstraction helps in to focus on which the object does instead of how it does. There are different ways to achieve abstraction. Two different ways are: first one is by using abstract class, that is 0 to 100% abstraction, and by using interface we can achieve to 100% abstraction. Abstract method in Java. A method which is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as abstract method. Example of abstract method is abstract void print status in bracket and then semicolon, because no method body is used in abstract method. So if we don't give any method a body, then we consider it as an abstract method. Here are some rules for writing the Java abstract class. First one is, an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. It cannot be instantiated. It can have final methods. It can have constructors and static methods also. Let's see the code how we can implement the abstraction in Java. Let's see the example of abstract class. First of all, we create a class with the access modifier abstract, that is abstract class bike, and inside the bike we make a method, that is abstract void run. We make that method abstract because it does not have any body, and then create a class Honda 4 which extends the bike, and inside the Honda 4 we create a method, that is void run, and inside it we just print the value running safely. And inside the main method we create the bike reference object with the help of, and create the Honda 4 class. So here bike is a reference of object and new Honda 4. Honda 4 is used to create the class, and then call the run method with the help of obj object. So what happens with it? First of all, the compiler check the bike obj. So the compiler will create the bike class object, and with the help of bike class object, first of all it will go into the bike class method, and then it sees that it doesn't contain any member or any body. Then it sees that if any method or any class inside the implement that bike class or not. So here it when it comes down, it says it showed that yes, Honda 4 extends the bike class. So it will again move to under its Honda 4 and see that whether Honda 4 have implement the bike class method or not. Then we can see that yes, Honda 4 implements the bike class method. So it calls the bike class method, that is run. So in this way we can achieve the abstraction in Java. Just save it and let's execute it. We are already in our location. So just write Zavak Honda 4.java. See, it will compile successfully. Let's execute it. Here we find the answer that is running safely. So the value or the method which is inside the child class, or the method which is inside the implemented class, only that method can be run. Let's see another example to clear visibility of abstraction. Here we may create a class that is abstract class bank, and inside bank we create a method that is abstract int get rate of interest, and then again create a class SBI which extends the bank and implements that method, or we can say that inherit that method, and again a class PNB calls the bank class and extend its method that is get rate of interest. And inside the class test bank, inside the main method, first of all we create the reference of bank B, and then create both the object reference, that is B is equals to new SBI and again B is equals to new PNB. First of all, B is equals to get as new SBI, get rate of interest, calls the rate of interest of SBI, and B dot get rate of interest of PNB calls the rate of interest of PNB. So just save it. Let's execute it. We are already in our file location. So just write Zavak testbank.java. Hence, it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will give me the value, that is rate of interest is 7% and 8%. 7% is the rate of interest of SBI and 8% is the rate of interest of PNB. So, in this way, we can achieve the abstraction in Java. Thank you.